Okay, so picking your nose is a delicate job because nowadays the doctors you're going to are not really allowed to do the right job for you, and they're supposed to leave the impurities inside. So what you want to do is avoid these paper or toilet paper uh, handkerchiefs. You don't want to use these as handkerchiefs because they're going to leave lint on your fingers when you're picking your nose, and then you're going to introduce microfibers or stuff from the uh, material you're using to leave the boogers on. You're going to introduce the lint back inside your nose, and you don't want that. You want to examine the finger very carefully before introducing it back into the nostril. Furthermore, you don't want to force the process. You just want to touch the booger and pull out. You're going to touch the booger and pull out the finger. That's the easiest way it's going to come out. Okay? Yeah.